Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about something that almost every Blender users experience at some point, the urge to just quit. You know, that feeling where you hit a wall, you've watched 20 tutorials and your donut still looks like a melted blob. Yeah, we've all been there. But I'm here to tell you from personal experience and from seeing countless others succeed that you absolutely shouldn't or should not quit learning Blender. And I've got three big reasons why. First off, the aha moment. Think about when you first started. Everything was new, right? Even just moving around in the 3D viewport felt clunky. But then you learn to extrude, you learn to subdivide, and suddenly you could make a basic shape. Every time you master a new tool, a new concept, whether it's UV mapping, rigging, or adding a texture, it's like a mini superpower. These aha moments are incredibly satisfying and they build on each other. If you quit, you will miss out on all those future breakthroughs. Now, my second reason is the endless creative potential. Seriously, what can't you do with Blender? From creating stunning 3D art, animating characters, designing products, making architectural visualization, even creating entire short film. Blender is a professional grade tool that's completely free. Imagine being able to bring your ideas, your visions to life in 3D. That crazy character you dreamed up, Blender can make it real. That futuristic city, Blender can build it. Quitting means you are closing the door on a whole universe of creative expression. And finally, reason number three, Blender is a valuable and genuinely fun skill set. In today's world, 3D skills are in high demand across so many industries. Is it gaming? Is it filming, advertising, product design, even education? Learning Blender isn't just a hobby. It can open doors to new opportunity, freelance work, or even a career change. But beyond that, it's just a plain fun. There's a massive supportive community online, endless tutorials, and the joy of seeing your creation come to life. Think of it like, learning to play an instrument. It's challenging, but it's incredibly rewarding when you finally get it. Look, there will be days you feel frustrated. Yeah, there will be days like that. You will mess up, your render will crash. That's okay. Every single person who is good at Blender today went through those exact same struggles. The key is consistency. Even 15 or 20 minutes a day, just trying one new thing can make a huge difference over time. So if you're feeling discouraged, take a break, watch a different tutorial, revisit a simpler project, but whatever you do, don't quit because quitting, I don't think is an option. So thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comment section what keeps you motivated to learn Blender. See you in my next video.